Hey folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Everybody knows me. I'm friendly and nice, and I help out people. I make sure everybody gets a card or a hello or a shout out. Today we're going to help out our friend. That's Will Russell of Just in Time Prepping. Okay, and he has a Saturday night show, so please check him out. I always get the times wrong, so please check him out. Alright, and he needs money for Intergen, which is an oxygen generator. Basically, it draws oxygen from the air, concentrated, and it feeds them. Will has 22% lung function, which is bad. Uncle not as bad as Will, but it's getting there. And I got more time. Other things will kill me, but like going blind, going crazy, and certain other things, so I don't have to worry about that. Tired. I still got to lose 46 pounds weight. I got that vitriol yellow fat. What happens when you stop doing sit-ups? A lot of times sit-ups and whatchamacallit, you get a gut. And bigger you are, the harder that yellow fat to get rid of. So right now I'm bouncing about 202. Used to be 204, depends what I eat. So I cut out sweets, carbs, fats. Very simple diet, very easy diet. I do like to eat rich foods and I do like to eat fast foods, but I proportion it to a small child, not that often, and once a month. I do like to cook, and I do like to bake. Okay, and this is for our friend not Will Patriot, sorry, got the wrong Will. Will Russell of Just in Time Prepping. And please check out these folks right here. Check out my friend Steve's Corsair Trainers. Check out Steve's channel, really good. He did one about the rural folks, so please check out his video. And a lot of people asking me, but Uncle Al, where's your resume? Well, most of my paperwork got destroyed in a fire. And a lot of people, well, we look at this and this. And I said, yeah, and I did it myself too. And did you know Uncle Al lost 10 years in Social Security, 10 years with the IRS, and nobody in the GSA has any records of me after 83. Okay, and then I got some weird things that popped out. Said I worked at J.C. Penney's for 10 years. And I got a mailing address, my dad's address, from Stockton. Okay, that's not a problem. We moved from the farm to there. And when I was born, and I get my mail there often, never changed it either, because over the years I had mailboxes got ripped open, I have mail intercepted, I have packages stolen, so I leave it to a place where it's nice and secure. Okay, so I'm kind of getting a little tired. And I talked to several other places where I could do UPS pickups, like CVS or Walmart or Walgreens or somebody that I know owes Uncle Al a favor. Now, I do have to send another card. Well, I'll be right back in the next video because I did get some nice stuff from some nice people from the Christmas holidays, and I have to thank them very much because Uncle Al's starting all over again. And this is supposed to be my retirement period. Sit back, read books. I do read. I miss my library. That also got burned up. I am stuck with only one bookcase and a bunch of boxes of books. When I had my library, the whole walls were covered. I have 4 big bookcases. Now, if you see my old videos, I have one little bookcase. I used to have 4 big bookcases. All right, I had books everywhere because I like to read. All right, I don't like people, but I do like to read. And then one more thing before I leave, and we leave our friend. Will just-in-time prepping. Check it tonight. It's on the, if you're subscribe to just-in-time prepping, you know we have the Saturday thing, so please check them out. Okay, and please help them out to get the energy. Now, before I forget, I got a lot of information squeezed down because still a lot of you guys are using mobile phones, and I keep telling go to laptops or desktop. Good boy, just tired. Okay, what was I thinking of? See, Uncle Alan has memory and brain damage, so Uncle Alan don't remember stuff too well, and I got to remember everything. So the next video we're going to do is the packages and the nice cards we get. I'm sending a thank you note to my friend in Texas, David Lim. Thank you very much. It's going to be on the next video. So catch you later.